Okay. So now we got a business analyst or business requirement document. Okay. The name of the service is order management system, and description of the service is order management system for lifestyle view, and technical owner details and all those things they have given, and assignment group they have given, and change coordinator, change approval name, all those things they have given. And also they have given for us main important thing, which is SLA, correct? What is our SLA? The SLA P1 is 2 hours response, 16 hours is the resolution, and SLA should be running 24/7, correct? Now, if we go to here, so yesterday we created and yesterday we select, okay? Let's select first one. So this is the first one. What we have done is, so this is my resolution, suppose, okay? Resolution here, what is the resolution? 16 hours, correct? Let's update 16 hours, my resolution. First, we are configuring resolution SLA. Okay. Priority 1, resolution SLA, 16 hours. And he said the group name, we are taking here group name as a order management here, but here we are talking about open space. Okay. Let's take that as an example. Assignment group is an open space here. Here, order management system is there. That you no need to bother about it, but there is a different names. So pause condition, whenever the group is not this group, so you are going to pause it. And you are going to pause a few more conditions, awaiting for change, awaiting for caller. Okay. If the ticket is not priority 1, then you will be pausing it, correct? So 16 hours you configure, then no schedule we configure. No schedule, it is displaying the message SLA will run 24/7 as no schedule is selected. Even we want that only 24/7, correct? So if you are not attaching schedule, it will run 24/7. Okay. So now we are going to save the existing one only. We are not doing any new creation. If we want to create a new, we know that insert and stay can be used, correct? So here. So this is the first one we created, correct? So now the next one, he want response. So response, you have to rename it as a response, correct? Response is 2 hours. So we are talking 2 hours. And here we selected instead of resolution to response. Okay. Now going back, now the start condition is same. Okay. But pass condition, okay. So what we should add? We should add one more or assign to is not empty. Means this ticket, if somebody has taken this ticket, nobody is there in open space. So let's add open space, some users in the open space group. So adding members here, we will discuss this. We are discussing not roles, group members, correct? Mike Hussey is there. Is already. I will add able. Okay. So let's go to here. Why member support? So I'm just trying to do it. Why? Okay, we'll check. If none of the value is here, then we are saying run this SLA. Correct? Don't stop till some name is there in the assign to. Is empty or is not empty, correct? We want is not empty. If somebody is filled with this name, then don't run. It should be past this resolution we are mentioning. So save it. So I did saved. Okay. So we should not be doing a save, right? Because we have to create one more thing. So where is my resolution? We will create resolution 16 hours and 60 hours. And we will also remove this one. So now we have two. One is response, one is resolution. Why? Okay, today it is created, correct? So created at after yesterday. I'm taking. So these are the one is 16 hours, one is 12 hours. Let's not take this one, filter out. I'll do filter out. Now there is one is response, one is resolution. What is difference between response and resolution? Now let's go to response. We all know that resolution, but response, one condition should be there always in the pause condition, which is that assigned to is not empty. Okay, if somebody has filled here with the name, the SLA should get pause we are talking about. So what we did is we did this one now, correct? So one is response we configured, one is resolution we configured, 16 hours. Okay, now let's see the ticket. But before that, I wanted to see why members are not getting added into this group. Groups under user administration. Open space. There are two members, but roles are not there. That is why it is not displaying there. For fulfillers, we need to add ITL role, correct? So this is what we are trying to do. So now let's go to here. If you select, see, there are two guys. At present, we'll take one fresh ticket. Instead of this, we'll take one fresh ticket and we will see how it is going to work for us, our new conditions. Let's take software 52. At present, 52 is assigned to software. There is no SLAs at present, correct? So what we'll do is we will do open space. I'm saving it. So immediately you see my two, one is response, one is resolution. Both of them, it is started. This is what we created, correct? SAP priority one response, SAP priority one resolution. We created the both of them. It is started. It is showing now as it started as a SL. Now my response, when do it has to stop? So suppose if assigned to Mike or Fedri, anyone in the group, my response should get paused. See, this got paused. Why it is passing? Because we mentioned here is not empty. If it is empty only, it should run. Okay, past condition we have mentioned is not assigned to is not empty, then only it has to be passed. So now it is see, it got passed. Now when do this will get passed? Either you have to keep ticket on hold, so it automatically goes pass. Or if you resolve also, it will go pass. See, the both are got passed now. Correct. So now when do you again you will be resolving it ticket, correct? Most of the time you will not close the ticket, you will be resolving it. So when do you resolve it, again it will be passed. See, both are passed. Now when you close it, see, all are completed. Our two is this one, correct? This one and this one. So both are completed. Response and resolution. Why it is okay? We didn't tag the as a response resolution while we are entering this one. So it should be resolution, correct? So if you see now, so this is my resolution, this is my response. Both are completed because the ticket is closed. Okay. So I hope P1 is clear. How do you get requirement? How do you have to configure? Correct? Guys, are you able to
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Adik, are you able to understood? Arti, are you able
Yes,
to
yes,
understand?
sir.
Okay. So now let's go to P2. So P2, my customer asked, you don't need to support day and night. Only support during the daytime. So daytime is, we discussed that 9 to 5, correct? So you only support during the 9 to 5. So we configured yesterday 9 to 5 how to manage. So now let's go to here. Again, we will go to SLA definitions. Okay. So schedule is empty means it runs 24/7, correct? So suppose schedule is there, then it runs only during the time configured in the schedule. So it is not only you required to come here. So there is a, again, you can search here schedule, correct? So when you search schedule, schedules, okay? So if you go here, here is your schedules, correct? So yesterday we created this one. If you see latest updated one, updated 2026, why it is showing 2020? Okay, no problem. This one we yesterday we configured. Now you want to configure a new one. Let's not confuse the old one. We'll create a new one, correct? So this is my new one. New one is I am creating. So what is that she asked me to create? Monday to Friday. This is what I'm going to configure 9 to 5 p.m. Okay. And I will configure GMT. So if it is India is there, we will configure that India. Okay. So now save it. So once you save it, you will get immediately the next child or linked forms, correct? So these are called related links. What is that? These are called related forms. Related forms are called this one. This is called related links. This is related forms. Okay. So now in this you got two things. One is schedule entry. The other one is child schedule. Okay. So both are similar. If you have already something where you can add it, so if you want to create new one, schedule entry, you can create it. So first we saved this one, correct? So then we are going to create a new schedule. So new schedule is again, you can copy the same thing. Okay. You can put it here. Okay. So what we are trying to do, so we will do weekly. So because Monday to Friday only she asking us to do. Saturday, Sunday is not working, correct? So every week it has to start on Monday, it has to end on Friday. So when to when? Okay, this is when to start this. Okay, it is asking. So when to when? So suppose date is same. So date you no need to do anything. So when it is starting, we are starting 9 a.m. Okay. This is minute, this is seconds, minutes, hours, correct? So 9 o'clock we are starting, 17 hours we are ending, correct? As per this 5 a.m. means. Okay. So we are going to save this schedule. So now let's go back our schedule. Our schedule is, where is our schedule? Here is our schedule. So this is created, where is the created date? Created by, created by. Okay, this is my newly created one. See, I have configured because it is taking Los Angeles time. Okay, but I have updated this 9 o'clock. It is taking Los Angeles time. So Los Angeles 2 o'clock, that means in Dubai 9 o'clock. Okay, so that's how it is getting. Start time is 2 o'clock and end time is 10 o'clock. Okay, so now whatever ticket you assign this SLA schedule. So where do you assign the SLA schedule? For a P2 ticket, we have to assign, correct? P2 ticket, they are asking only you have to work on the daytime only. So when do that? So let's go to now one more SLA definition. SLA definition. Guys, if you don't understand, please stop me, okay? So let's create new one. We'll create a new one only, okay? So that you will understand what is this, correct? So now let us have a first thing is you have to attach schedule. SLA definition. What is our schedule? This is our schedule, correct? So let's copy this one here, okay? So then what is our response 4 hours? So let's configure first response 4 hours, okay? Then what is our definition of SLA definitions updated by resolution response? Let's take this one because we need to have a uniform, correct? Always we should have a uniform, the names. So what I'm trying to do, P2, I'm just putting here. And what is this? My response, correct? And this one is default is there, but the other one, you have some SLA notification, always configure the same thing. Okay. So now we replicated everything, correct? Everything we replicated except this schedule. Now start time. Start is active equal to true. Priority is this open space. Let's go one by one. Priority. Priority is, my priority is 2, correct? We are configuring priority 2. So and assignment group is open and active equal to true. My stop conditions, what is that my stop conditions here? If you see here, incident state is one of pause conditions. Incident state is one of on hold, then only on hold is there, okay, no problem. Or, correct? Not or, and hold reason. Hold reason is awaiting for caller or awaiting for change. We configured here, okay? The same way we are configuring. Now, instead of this or, I have to add this or. Why? Either this or this. If it is or here, all of these conditions. Now, this or is different from this or. Why? This is either awaiting for change or awaiting for caller only, it will get, correct? So now I wanted to have on hold or awaiting for caller. Incident state is one of, or one also you can select it. And on hold, reason is caller. Now I am going to add one more R. What is this R? Incident or resolved, correct? Or it is not P2. So first one is incident state is not resolved. Now one more condition I have to add, or priority. I hope you guys are understanding what is that, why I'm configuring this. Is not. So always in the pause condition is not, this one only is one of, okay, or is on hold. Let's take is on hold. Either this condition has to meet for a pass to the ticket my SLA, or this condition, or this condition, or this condition. Any of this condition meets, I should pass my SLA. What SLA? My response SLA. And one more thing, you remember one more thing we need to add. If ticket assigned to is not empty. If somebody took the ticket, automatically I have to pass the SLA. I hope you are understanding this one. Guys, tell me if you are not able to understand, I will explain once again. Why we are here? I want to make double confirm that you guys are understood, are able to configure. Arti, Abdul, Sadiq. I hope you are able to understand, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is my P2 priority to response. How many hours response is? 4 hours. 4 hours here, instead of 2 hours, we'll make 4 hours. So this is my 4 hours. Anyway, this is correct. This only in the value we mentioned wrongly, so we updated that. Now start condition is this, stop condition is this. Now let's have a one ticket. So this is one thing on the priority to response. Now we need to configure resolution also, same way, correct? Resolution is what? 40 hours he has given. Okay. So now I'm mentioning 40 hours here. And instead of this resolution I'm mentioning. So this is the same, schedule is same. Can you go for mute, whoever is not talking, please? And this we need to remove, assign to empty, right? So this we don't require because resolution has to work till it is resolved. If the ticket is resolved, then only resolution has to be stopped, resolution, or either one of them, this one, on hold or awaiting for caller, any one of them are resolved, okay? Or if the priority is changed from P2 to different, then only I should stop it, okay? So this
Hi,
one, hmm.
hi, Anna. Sorry to interrupt. Here we are on hold condition. We are keeping as priority to not equals to. Means if it is other than P2, it will run. Means
So
if it
why
is
we are mentioning, yeah, I got your doubt. Why we are mentioning is not P2. If ticket, sometime the user or fulfiller, he will try to change P1 to P2, P2 to P3. See, most of the times they will change it, correct? So whenever they are changing, this SLA should get passed. Okay.
yeah, that I understood. But the main logic this one only, right? Like there is no logic if it is P2, it should run. We are not never mentioning, right? That one.
Here I'm mentioning, correct? P2. Start
Okay,
condition I'm mentioning P2.
okay, got it.
Pause condition I'm mentioning is not. Okay. I
Okay, I
will
got
show
it.
what is the why how do this works now. Okay, let's take this
Yeah.
example. So now we configure resolution and response both, correct, for P2. So created today, we will see created today. two of them we created, correct? So one is not two, P2, P2. This one also we created this today. Okay. I'm just.
Don't go like this.
So
Yeah.
these two, one is 4 hours is response, 40 hours is a resolution. My schedule tagged here. So Friday to Monday to Friday only it has to run. Today is what? Saturday. It should not run. Correct? So let's create. Can you go for mute somebody who's talking, please? Anjaya, can you go for mute? Okay. So now let's take
You are a good boy,
Anjaya.
son.
I already muted Anna.
Somebody. Okay. No problem. So now we have to consider incidents. Go to incidents. So we'll go to incidents here. So now we are talking about P2.
Eat your son, you know.
Okay, now we are going to P2. So we'll take one of the P2 ticket. So now this is a P2 ticket. So already P1, it was P1 yesterday. Okay, this one, let's take one of the fresh ticket, which was not in the open space group. So we'll take this one, P2. Yeah, this is no group is assigned 19. We'll take this one. So first we'll put this one. This at present, if you see, priority to resolution is something is tagged, right? So now let's go for a open space. First I am doing assignment group tagging. So automatically my two SLAs, one is my SAP, both SAP, this is 40 hours and 4 hours. It has to tag. What is this? Why it is getting tagged to? Okay, yesterday we might configure this one. So let's take only this one 4 hours and this 40 hours. Let's see what is this. Why it is 2 times it is showing this one. So we need to troubleshoot also, right? Sometime.
And Perian case no.
Anjaya, we are able to hear you. Okay, I don't know why. So now there are two SAP. So this is P1 and P2. 19, correct? We are working. So we are talking about priority 2, right? So there are two SLA, one resolution, one response is tagged. I don't know why. We'll see that one, why it is. Okay, we are going to see only this one and this one. Now, why it is stopped, this one? Response is stopped. Why? It should not stop, right? It's a P2 ticket. P2 ticket and paused. Okay, wait. Let's see where is this response. Is not empty. Is empty. Okay. Okay, let's see. Resolution 4 hours is there. So we need to troubleshoot. SLA definitions. Why we are getting 3, correct? This is not there. I don't know why it is tagging. Okay, let's repair the SLA. I'm repairing only SAP. Why? 3 again, SAP. 3 there. Okay. We'll take some. Okay, so we'll not consider this one now. So we'll consider only this 4 hours response. Okay. And this 8 hours. Now, what is this response? This is response only, right? Response and response. So this is my resolution. This is my, why it is paused? It should not pause, correct? So because my ticket is not assigned to anyone. It's a blank. So let's save it. So this one also went to pause condition because we configured wrongly. So P2 also will make it. We got it. What is wrong? We did. Okay. So these are the two conditions. One is resolution 40 hours. In this, we configure resolve not equal to okay. All these conditions are fine. This fine, and this one is fine, and this one is also fine. Is not empty, right? So now let's go to our ticket and repair the SLA. So we should have only 2 SAP things, correct? One is this response, one is the resolution. Why it is both are now resolution? This is response because it is passed because we assigned to Mike Hasi. So this is matching perfectly. This is working pass. Now why resolution is going pass? We need to check, right? Let's go to resolution. 40 hours. Okay. 40 hours on hold. It is not on hold. Resolved. It is not on hold. Resume conditions. Past conditions are not met. We will see this one. Past conditions are not met. Okay. Stop condition. Nothing is there at present. So past condition we should put state equal to is 1/2 always. This one always should be like this one. Stop conditions. Okay, stop conditions are this one. It has to be closed automatically your SLA definition. Why this is, now I got it. Why this is pass? You tell me why this is pass. Any guess? Why this is pass? Resolution is pass. So even though my resolution, it should not pass, correct? It is in work in progress, correct? The ticket is in work in progress. It should be running only, in progress only. My SLA should be in progress only, but it went to pass. Why it went to pass? Any guess? I'm open to anyone and everyone. 40 hours we need to make it here. Okay, 1 hour 16, correct only.
This one last pass conditions are not met. Mentioned that
No,
one.
no. Everything is there. Everything is correct only. Why it is not? Any guess? What is today, guys? We're all absent.
Saturday, sir.
Huh? Our SLA should pass, correct? Because we configured this one Monday to Friday only. Correct? Are we right now?
Yeah, correct. And the schedule is different.
Yeah. If it is a 24/7, it should have been keep on running. But because of the schedule is configured Monday to Friday, it is passed. When do it will start? This one again?
After 1 day.
Monday, 9 a.m. Correct? Monday, 9 a.m. it has to start. Now, tell me, it's a puzzle for you all. I will stop recording now. Okay? It's a puzzle. I will give you puzzle for you all.